Hello everyone, this is Girly Gamer 290. I almost dropped it. I got it. Welcome to another video where today we're doing training time. So yeah, you've seen us train before, but you haven't in a very long time. So today we're going to be providing you with the training, or how we train. That sounds a lot better, because it's not the way people train at all. So yeah, we're basically gonna train. I'm trying to set up my homemade tripod here. So yeah.
Yes, good bird.
So basically we get the milk and we put it here. And we basically wait. Yeah. Oh, we lost the power. Did you see that? That was very interesting. So now we have Yoshi, Boshi, Lemon Toshi, Adatoshi. That's the green bird's name that I'm holding right now. Oh, sorry. I scared her. Anyway, hi.
Come on, guys. Get off the
Hi, Yoshi. You're so cute.
Hi, there's birds on the bed.
I wonder why. Anyway, basically we wait for the other birds to get on. Hello. And then they get off, and then we're done. I'm just kidding, we're not done yet. Come on. Okay. Hi. Hello. Yoshi. Ow. Gerda.
Hey, stop. Come on. I'm taking a minute.
Hey, who wants millet? Free millet. Thank you. Well, it's not free. It comes with the price of letting me hold you.
Gerda.
Hey, don't you.
Hey, guys, Gerda flew to my hand. Go on, Gerda.
Oh, Gerda. That was so sweet. Ow. Stop chewing on my fingernail polish. It's super bad for you. My gosh. Birds these days. If you can't see who I'm holding, I'm going to tilt the camera. Yeah, I'm holding them.
I know, Gerda.
Gerda. What are you doing? Come to me. Gerda. Oh, my brains. I don't think we've ever made a video of rainbow. Get it? Okay, what the crap is that? My arm hurts! Ow, guys. Ow. Pillow. There's plenty to get in there, though. Hey, dude. Hey, don't show my fingernail polish. You insane? You want to die today? You want to die? Okay. Hello! Gerda!
Give me right burden on the roof.
That's gonna be a very hard frame. A very hard frame indeed. It's not getting real fast. Look at that square. How dare you leave my presents? My shoe up. I'm scared of like holy cow.
No,
Holy.
Great. Okay, Gerda, come here, baby. Come here, Gerda.
No.
Oh, action.
I just tried to throw her and she didn't even come off. We should not be bird owners. Okay.
Come on.
Alright, well that was basically our training.
Gerda, come here.
If you think that's
Come here, Gerda.
something.
Gerda, will you hop on me?
No. She only hopped on my finger once, and I didn't get on camera, and I almost cried. So, yeah. Now you see that I can hold Pillow and Rainbow now, so that's cool. And Bella can hold Pillow and Rainbow now, so that's also awesome. Also awesome. No, I'm just gonna say also cool. Yeah, so that was our training video. So I don't think, this is not how to train your birds, it's how we train our birds. That's how we do every day, every single day, literally. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you subscribe, give a like, turn on all those notifications, which is you said it, the bell down below. I say it every single video. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.